Hi there, students. Autocratic, an adjective. Autocratically. And I'll get into some other words related to this in a minute. Okay, if somebody is acting autocratically, if they are autocratic, they rule with absolute power. They don't care what anyone else thinks. You've got to do what they tell you to do. Okay? So autocratic, ordering people about. So I don't know, the Prime Minister has become more and more autocratic. Her autocratic attitude shows that she demands that people obey completely without asking or caring about anyone else's opinion. Yeah, I like that definition. Okay, so demanding that people obey completely without asking or caring about anyone else's position. The dictator resigned after 10 years of autocratic rule. He had ruled autocratically. So autocratic, controlled by one leader who has total power and does not let anyone else make decisions. So you could have an autocratic regime, an autocratic leader. The management of this company is very autocratic. It has autocratic leadership. Yeah, so this is like dictatorial. Yeah, I'm saying you've got to do this. Now, the other word related to this I would like to look at is autarky. So an autarky either is the noun, the condition of absolute sovereignty, being ruled by an autocrat. But notice you can actually spell this word autarky, CH, and you can also spell it autarky, KY. Now, the word autarky with CH, notice they both sound the same, talks about a sovereign ruler, one person being the boss. With a K, it talks about self-sufficiency, independence, being nationally self-sufficient. So I think North Korea is an autarky with a CH and with a K. With a CH because there's an absolute ruler, and with a K because it tries to be self-sufficient. It tries to provide everything it needs in-house for itself. Notice as well, autarky with a K can be a philosophy where you rely on yourself. You don't have to obey government, but you decide what you're going to do and act by your own principles. You become self-sufficient. An autarky as well with a K could be an enclosed ecosystem that has everything it wants. So with a K it's talking about self-sufficiency, relying on yourself. With a CH it's talking about autocratic, although I have heard the K meaning used for the CH meaning. But all of that last bit was pretty complex. Autocratic, dictatorial. You do what I say and I don't care what you think, you just do it. Yeah? Complete ordering, a complete a system where the members of the society have absolutely no choice. They are ruled by an autocrat. Okay, let's see. Autocratic, how formal is this? I would probably give this word a 6.5 in formality. I think maybe you would say a dictator more informally, or even a little Hitler. That would be more informal. Yes, you use this word autocratic in a semi-formal writing or formal writing. And then autarky, both with a CH and a K, I would give this an 8 in formality. It's talking about self-sufficiency, yeah? And the origin. Notice the origin with a K and the origin with the CH are ever so slightly different. They both come from ancient Greek, but the one with a K comes from autarkeia, meaning self-sufficiency, and that's with a K, self-sufficiency, as the word itself says. Whereas absolute power and absolute governing, autarkia, with a and that means absolute governing, absolute power. Okay, so the Greek origins are ever so slightly different. Okay, what more can I say? Yes, if you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Autocratic, autarky, and its homophone, autarky, CH or K.